Good evening, YouTube, and today we have another handheld vacuum. Let's see if it does the trick, and let's see if it let's see if it works. Try to adjust the camera here. This is the bright light and everything. All right. What? It's just a flashing green light. What gives? Come on, let's. Don't mind the sun. So I should adjust it more in here. Come on. Come on. Work. Oh, come on. No, you don't work now? Come on. Come on, work, stupid vacuum. Oh, you're just going to give me a stupid green light again? Come on. Oh, what happened? Did the light come out? Oh well, what a shame. Oh well, I don't give a damn. Oh, dusty. Oh, the cat's going after some of the plastic pieces. There's the filter. Stupid ass filter. There's the motor. Motor that refuses to work. Alrighty. And yes, YouTubers, I got a new fan. But I'm not breaking it now. It works perfectly fine. Anywho. Camera. Anywho. So I guess that about does it. Not a very long video, but still I managed to get the job done. Oh, wait a sec. Here's the other thing here. Check it out, YouTube. That's what's left of the handheld vacuum. Also, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel at Jordan Smashes Things with a capital J at the beginning. All right, that about does it for now. One last look at the destruction.